Hello everyone, this is Matt from Powell, and today we're going to talk about our chlorine transfer hoses. Powell provides chlorine transfer hoses constructed of both Monel and Teflon, and also in sizes 1/2 inch and 1 inch. The Monel chlorine transfer hoses are constructed of a corrugated metal hose made out of Monel 400. There is a Monel 400 braid, a stainless steel chafe guard, a Monel 400 nipple, and a 1 inch carbon steel wrench flats for tightening and loosening the hoses. These hoses are available in various lengths, with 6 and 8 foot lengths being the most common. They can be supplied with 1 inch NPT fittings or 300-pound 4-bolt flange fittings as well. All Powell chlorine transfer hoses are compliant with Chlorine Institute Pamphlet 6, Edition 16, Appendix A. All of our transfer hoses are of course clean for chlorine service and are bagged and tagged prior to shipping. Serial numbers are traced for 5 years of traceability as well. In addition to Monel chlorine transfer hoses, Powell also offers Teflon chlorine transfer hoses. This is constructed with a one-piece virgin corrugated Teflon hose, 2 layers of Kynar PVDF braiding, and then a single Kynar PDF chafe guard. Again, Monel nipple and carbon steel wrench flats for the Teflon hose as well. As always, cleaned for chlorine service, bagged and tagged, serial number tracing for 5 years. As with all Powell products, you can learn more at our website, powellsolutions.com. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more information, and of course like us on Facebook as well.